Hey there. So, you're thinking about joining the US Air Force? Awesome choice. Today I'm going to break down the step-by-step process to get you from civilian to airman. Let's get started. First up, eligibility. You need to be between 17 and 39 years old. If you're 17, you'll need parental consent. You also need to be a US citizen or legal permanent resident. And of course, you must have a high school diploma or equivalent. Got it? Next, let's talk about the ASVAB. That's the Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery. It's a test that measures your strengths and weaknesses. You'll need to score at least a 31 to qualify for the Air Force. But aiming higher opens up more job opportunities. So, study up. All right, now it's time to meet a recruiter. This is your go-to person for all your questions and paperwork. They'll guide you through the process, including scheduling your ASVAB. Plus, they'll help you gather all the necessary documents. Think of them as your Air Force mentor. After you pass the ASVAB, it's time for MEPS. That stands for Military Entrance Processing Station. Here, you'll undergo a physical exam, background check, and other assessments. It's a thorough process, but it ensures you're fit for service. Once you clear MEPS, you'll choose your job, or AFSC, Air Force Specialty Code. There are tons of options from aviation to cyber operation. Your ASVAB scores and personal preferences will play a big role here. Choose wisely. Next up, Basic Military Training, or BMT. This is where you'll transform from a civilian to an airman. BMT lasts about 8.5 weeks and takes place at Lackland Air Force Base in Texas. You'll train physically and mentally and learn the core values of the Air Force. Tough, but rewarding. After BMT, it's time for technical training. This is where you'll learn the ins and outs of your chosen career field. Tech school lengths vary depending on your job. But this is where you'll gain the skills needed for your Air Force role. Finally, you'll head to your first duty station. This is where you'll put all your training into practice. You'll meet new people, take on responsibilities, and grow both professionally and personally. And that's it. From eligibility to your first duty station, this is your roadmap to joining the US Air Force. It takes dedication and hard work, but the rewards are worth it. So, are you ready to take the leap? Hit that subscribe button for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.